This video will be a tutorial on how to use the Colleague AI Generate Slides feature, which is a newly updated tool allowing users to make custom, colorful, learning-centered slide presentations in a matter of minutes. In the Colleague AI dashboard, start by clicking on the Generate Slide icon. Or you can also access this feature by clicking the Generate Content from your sidebar. You'll get started by choosing a title, offering special requirements such as multilingual supports or universal design for learning principles. Then you can include any details your slides are meant to convey. This space will include your learning objectives, perhaps specific standard you are teaching to, or anything else you would like to include specifically, like the title or the headings of your slides. If you have resources you would like these slides to reference, you can attach them by using the paperclip at the bottom. Once you're ready, click Generate. This will generate an outline of all the slides that can be included in your slide deck. At the top, you can add pages. You can edit pages. You can regenerate them. By clicking Edit, you can adjust the title of your slide and you can adjust specific content. This will primarily adjust any language you want included. You have the option to provide instructions to the AI if you have any specific ideas you want the AI to convey. Click Save when you are ready. By clicking Regenerate, the AI will take your instructions and regenerate from scratch. After reviewing your outline, you simply click Next at the top of your page. This will bring you to a Theme Explorer where you can upload a theme or you can browse any of the 95 themes available to you. If you're looking for something specific, try Search Themes located at the top right. If you click on a theme that looks interesting, it will give you an example layout for what each slide might look like, and you may take a deeper look by clicking Preview. This will open a separate tab that gives you a much more detailed inspection, and you can decide whether or not you want to go further with this theme. If you like it, click Use this template. After selecting this, you will see that a little checkbox appears that says your template has been selected. You're ready to press Next. At this point, Colleague AI will take your outline and merge it with the template you have selected. Each slide will be an image, and although you cannot edit directly, you can still make detailed changes. If you notice a mistake or something you're not happy with, you can simply click Edit Slide and adjust the content as desired. If you'd like to change the visuals, add instructions in the AI instructions box. If you'd like to add your own picture, you're welcome to upload that here too. If you'd like to change the language, you can do that too. Simply rewrite your title or additional content. And once you're ready, click Preview Slides in the top right-hand corner. This is a complete slide deck including your outline, combined with your theme, and all the edits you asked for. You can still make changes by clicking Edit at the top, or you can add content by clicking Add Slide on the top left, where you'll provide title and content instructions, upload images. You can change the order by simply dragging and dropping the slide tiles on the left, and you can present your slideshow by clicking the Slideshow button and using the arrow keys or scroll through each slide with your mouse. These slides will be automatically saved to the My Document section in your Colleague AI sidebar. And you can also download your slides as a PowerPoint, JPEG, or PNG file. You're ready to go, and your students are ready to learn.